Hi guys, welcome back to Black Stag Styling and AW Smart Repairs. So we got something a little bit different for you for today. We have our own vehicles and coffee meet going on. So we are just setting everything up. Ad and Fraser are in helping getting everything ready, and well, we're just waiting for the coffee van and car tech, and then hopefully everyone will be attending. So stay tuned for this one. Don't forget, like and subscribe to the channel and turn on the old notifications. That way you stay fully up to date with everything that we are doing. And well, let's get cracking. People will be here very soon.
Hi guys!
That's useless. Hi.
Morning, gentlemen.
We're the first ones here at the minute. We're just waiting for everybody else.
Hopefully they're going to come soon.
Yeah, because it's now 11:30
half an hour.
and it's pretty dead still.
No one's turned up yet.
No, we had some people drive past on the highway, but they didn't stop.
No, they didn't want to know.
Down. They just carried on driving.
What can you do?
Yeah, well, I was a police car with his lights on. So.
Did anyone put anything on social media or anything about advertising it or?
Oh, that's where we've gone wrong.
Oh, no, I told my mum she'll be here in half an hour.
Yeah, and my mum's coming.
Haven't been there.
You'll take care of it. Speak to the little one. Cheers, mate. Stuff everywhere. Yeah. Oh, we'll make sure everyone can get out, don't you worry. Cheers, mate. Like that. Well guys, that brings us to the end of this video. Hopefully you've enjoyed watching our cars and coffee meet, or I should say vehicles and coffee meet, as we've had a fantastic selection of different vehicles as you'll have seen in the video. I'd just like to say a massive thanks to everybody that has attended. It's hugely appreciated for bringing your pride and joys over to us, for everyone to have a look round, and of course everyone to have a nice chat as well. I'd just like to say a big thank you to the Black Stag guys, which of course is Adam and Fraser, for helping out today, and of course just chatting to people about all the things we do here at Black Stag and AW. I'd also like to say a big thanks to Vint-Tro. Vint-Tro hosted the event with us, so we had a lot of their members of course turn up as well to show their pride and joy off to all the people as well. Big thanks to Camilio's Coffee and of course to Car Tech. Camilio's Coffee for some fantastic coffee and cake, and of course Car Tech for all their vehicle detailing products. So it's been a fantastic morning. Everyone's really enjoyed themselves. Normal thing. We're going to put all the links down below, so if you want to check out any of the other guys who are involved with this, do click on the links below. Also got all of our other social media, Instagram, Facebook and TikTok. You can purchase our merch of course as well, with the Black Stag t-shirts, hoodies, caps, so check that out online. Normal thing. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, turn on the old notifications, and we will catch you all again soon. All it leaves me to say is please do take care, drive safe out there, and anything we can help you with here, please do give us a shout. We'll see you again soon. Take care.